Hello everyone, today I will introduce some hardware configurations of our DTF cloth printer. Why our DTF cloth printer are more stable. The first thing I will introduce to you is our machine board. Use Hosen board, the first of the 4 major boards in China. This is the motherboard, equipped with a high-power 300-watt power supply, cooperate with ink cartridge alarm, automatic circulation and automatic stirring. Our beam is made by industrial aluminum. It is made by high-precision milling. Ensure the parallelism and fine flatness of the left and right sides of the print head with the tower wheel rotation servo motor. The servo motor drives the tower wheel to make it more stable. This is white ink cleaning. This is white ink circulation string. Its left and right doors can be opened for maintenance of the print head. This is the ink cap station. The left and right doors can also be opened and closed, which is very user-friendly.